Hey, what's up, Chef Fede, everyone? Today we are shooting live from Sable Hills Spa, Leo Fontaine. So you're invited today. We're going to shoot one of this other campaign they are running, but it's Spatoria. So
Spatoria for us is the heart of the community and the pulse of the city. That's what it means.
It's a campaign. Support the community of Pretoria. Support
today they actually catered for most of the customers. Yeah, did you do your shopping today?
Ek het nog nie vanoggend nie, maar ek was gister hier so en ek gaan môre, seker vanmiddag of môre weer kom, ja. Ek is elke dag in die Spar.
Ja,
ek is die een wat hulle bel op nommer 99 sê maak asseblief vir my vetkoeke of pannekoek en every time they come through.
Yes. What's going on today with this campaign, Spatoria? What's happening?
So Spatoria is about the campaign, all the spa stores that are in Pretoria. We're embracing Pretoria as a city. You know, Pretoria is the number one city in South Africa. We know that.
Yes.
So now Spa has identified itself, or Spa has always been a retail business that always looks out for community. So we are embedded. We have got diversity. I mean, we have got different stores that serves different communities, and that is the advantage of a spa store. It's able to cater for its communities based on their needs. So we are blessed to be in Sable Hills Quick Spa and be able to serve our communities.